So the drums weren't, it's not like that was like the thing that I always really loved and cared about. It's just kind of making music is the thing I want to do, and that was the thing that I kind of just got the best at. But at this point, the reason why I now really connect with the drums is I think it's an incredible instrument for like facilitating a band or other musicians working together. You have such an effect on the form of a song and the dynamic level and how people hear things and like telegraphing musical moments to the rest of the band.
I felt so in the music last night in an unbelievable way. I don't think I am perceiving the weight of having all those people in the room. The stakes are high because I can't break the flow and the energy of everything that's going on around me. I have to be a part of it. Last night was a nice example of like, there were definitely fuck-ups in ways that we haven't fucked up that badly before. It wasn't ever like bad, but you know, like making dumb mistakes and being able to like scoop each other out of those moments really quickly was a nice thing that happened. Sometimes I feel like I'm a part of something really special and magical, and sometimes it doesn't feel that way.
The gig that you play is basically your day, so if you wake up on the wrong side of the bed, you're gonna have to work extra hard to make that gig work for you.
It feels like there's like a ceiling that is always like, it's kind of about money, like I need to make more money to be able to afford the next step in this journey, which kind of sucks. Like I wish that just the music could take us and support us. But there is like, I have a lot of friends who are doing more, and it's equally nice to see them and kind of difficult because it's like, here's the next goal, and you know, as humans do, comparing themselves.
It's a little challenging resource-wise. Like it's kind of hard to set up a tour, so it's really, really hard to make that work if you're, you know, like a self-funded project.
I try to make every little bit of my energy music related, if not like a music adjacent sort of pursuit.
It didn't really seem like a choice at any point. It was like, this is just something that I am doing because I really enjoy it. And you just keep doing it.
And not every, you know, experience is going to be like the best night of your life, but this is like a beautiful thing to invest your energy and time in, and you will feel the benefits of it.